Complete kit includes heating plate, pouring pot, soap cutter, stirring spoon, soap base, fragrance oil, soap mold, scale, thermometer, soap dye, measuring cup, spring bottle. User-friendly for beginners. Easy to follow instructions, making it simple for beginners to create beautiful soaps without prior experience. Pure relaxation. Make soap at home with a watermelon soap kit. Relax and enjoy natural scents and essential oils. Stress relief. Relieves stress, boosts creativity, and brings a sense of accomplishment. Easily make beautiful soaps. Perfect gift. Great gift for loved ones. Fun, creative, and perfect for exploring a new hobby of making luxurious soap. Step 1. After each layer is poured into the mold, it is necessary to spray alcohol to remove bubbles. Step 2. The soap dye must be shaken when used to prevent the dye from stratifying. Step 3. Each layer is put to a semi-dry state and the second layer is poured. Step 4. The two sides must be peeled off for easy demolding.